Dear students, in previous video we have solved some examples of law of exponent, right? In this one, rest things those are left we will do, and we are going to start here 12.1 question number first, fourth part of the same. Fourth part is 1 upon 3 power minus 2. How to solve? As we talk about this one, when power is negative we can take reciprocal of the same. So can we write like this, 3 upon 1 power plus 2, right? We have changed the sign of power. 3 upon 1 power plus 2 means 3 power 2, or 3 power 2 we can write 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. This is also correct answer, this is also correct, and this is also correct. This depend what asked. Here evaluation is given, so you have to solve completely. Next one, in question number 3, 2 questions I will solve here, and rest one will left you will try to do. Okay, first one is in the third one, in second one, sorry, this is second question. In second one, first is minus 3 power 6 divide by minus 3 and power 8, right? Minus 3 power 6 minus 3 power 8. You can see here both bases are same, and this is sign of division. When base are same in division power we will have to subtract. So what to do here? Minus 3 common base we have taken, and power will be subtract 6 minus 8. See, after division this is divide by minus 3 means this is divisor and this is dividend. So we have to subtract accordingly. Don't do this is a greater number so we will take first. No, accordingly we will do. So here minus 3, this will be equal to minus 3, 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 2, because this is greater number. Now see, according to law of exponent, what to do? This negative sign is here, so we can take reciprocal of this. So we can write here minus 3, reciprocal of 3 is 1 upon 3. So minus 1 upon 3 power 2, right? Now this is power 2. 2 is a even number. If power is a even number, then the solution or product will be positive. So this will be positive. It means we can write it 1 upon 3 power 2, right? 1 upon 3 power 2. So plus 1 upon 3 should come here, right? And according to question, in question it is written here, result, express the result in positive power notation. So this is positive power, right? So this is your answer. Number 2 of the same. Number 2 is 1 upon 3 power 2. Try to understand it carefully and then without watching video. First at least 2 or 3 times watch this video, and after that without watching you try to do all these things. Don't copy from this video. Okay, try to solve yourself. Now see, 1 upon 3 power 2 whole power 3. What to do here? We can use this power separately here according to law of exponent. See, I'm here writing law of exponent. A power m b power m is equal to a upon b power m. Can we write like this? Means this can be on a and b separately, and if it is in this form we can change in this form. If it is in this form we can change this back. Okay, now see how to write this. 1 power 3 and in denominator 3 power 2 as it is whole power 3. 1 power 3 is equal to 1 only, and here 3 power 2 power 3. A power m whole power n means m and they will be multiplied to each other. So 3 power 2 multiplied by 3 means 1 upon 3 power 6. 2 3 ja 6, right? 3 power 6. So we can write in this form also 1 upon 3 whole power 6. This is the answer, right? Next one, number 3. Let's try to solve number 3. Number 3 is minus 5 power 4 divided by 3 upon 5 power 5, right? See, first try to understand this. This is a even number, right? And this is negative sign. It means final result, product will be positive, right? Even power is there, it means positive we will get. So can we write here 5 power 4 in directly? Yes. And divide by, here can we write 3 power 5 and 5 power 5? So 3 power 5 and 5 power 5. 5 on both of them. Next, this will be equal to, see it carefully and try to understand. 5 power 4 I have written here as it is upon 1. Can we take? Just changing this sign into product in multiplication, and we have to take reciprocal, numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. It means we can say here 5 power 5 upon 3 power 5, right? So this will be equal to 5 power 4 multiply by 5 power 5 upon this is 3 power 5, right? Now see, bases are same, so power will be added. So how to add? 5 power 4 plus 5 upon 3 power 5 as it is. So this will be equal to 5 plus 4 equal 9. So this will be 5 power 9 upon 3 power 5. Like this you will solve rest also. Okay, so try to solve next question also. One more I am going to solve, then in next question you will try. Okay, one more, fourth one also I am going to solve here. See, fourth one of the same question. Fourth one is 2 power minus 8, 2 power minus 8 divided by 2 power minus 11, right? Multiply by 5 power minus 3, right? Now see, bases are same, bases are same. In division, power will be subtracted to each other, so this will be equal to 2 power minus 8 minus 11. This is minus 11 subtracted from minus 8, right? Multiply by 5 power minus 3. And here you can see we can change this one in reciprocal, we can take of this one. So how to do? 2 power minus 8, this minus minus plus, so minus 8 plus 11 multiply 5 power minus 3. Can we take reciprocal? 1 upon 5 power plus 3, right? So this will be equal to 11 minus 8 is equal to 11 minus 8 is equal 3. So this will be equal to 2 power 3 multiply by 1 upon 5 power 3. So can we write here 1 upon 5 power 3. So this will be equal to, when we will multiply by 2, 2 power 3 upon 5 power 3, right? So can we write like this? A power m, b power m. So here this will be equal to 2 upon 5 whole power 3. This is your answer. Like this, try to solve rest also. Next one, question number 3. In this one also some questions I will solve, and you will try from your side, right? Number 1, in this one, when you will see your page, you have given already 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 1 this is in bracket multiply by 3 power 2, right? Now according to law of exponent, or according to law that BODMAS rule, first we have to solve bracket. So in bracket this is negative power, so take reciprocal. This will be equal to 1 upon 3, power 1 is there only, plus this will be equal to 1 upon 4, 4 power 1 and 3 power 1, there is no difference in that. Okay, and multiply by 3 power 2, right? Next, 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4, plus sign is there, so can we add them by taking LCM? This will be 3 4 ja 12, 12 is LCM, and here 3 4 means 4, plus 4 3 ja 12 means 3, and this bracket as it is power 3 power 2, okay, is equal to 4 plus 3 equal 7 upon 12, and this one multiply by 3 power 2 means 3 3 ja 9, so 9 will come, right? So here 9 7 ja 9 7 ja 63, and before that we can divide by the same number. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 4 ja 12. If it is divisible, you may divide in lowest form. Lowest form you may take. 7 3 ja 21, and this one 4 as it is. This will be equal to 21 upon 4. This is the answer, right? Did you understand how to solve these type of questions? Now one more type is there, in that in this next question this is also negative, nothing else. We can take reciprocal of the same. See, 5 power minus 1 multiply by 4 power minus 1, this is in bracket, and multiply by 2 power minus 2, right? So this will be equal to 5 power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 5. The same method we are following. Multiply by this is equal to 1 upon 4, and multiply by this also. Can we write 1 upon 2 power 2, because here also we have taken reciprocal. Now see, here product is there, always remember it. This is product, so we cannot take LCM, we have to multiply. 1 1 ja 1, 5 4 ja 20, multiply by here 1 upon 2 power 2 means 2 2 ja 4, this will be 4, is equal to 1 1 ja 1 upon 24 ja 80, right? So this will be answer of the same. Okay, let's try to solve next question. Okay, let's do a new question. The next question is fourth one I am doing now. After this one, this third question you will try to do by the same method. Fourth one I am doing 1 upon 3 power minus 3, then plus 1 upon 2 power minus 2, and then plus 1 upon 5 and power minus 3, right? In this one what to do? Try to understand. 1 upon 3 power minus 3, can we take reciprocal? 3 upon 1, so 3 power 3, plus 2 upon 1 power plus 2, and plus 5 upon 1 power plus 3. So can we write in next step? 3 power 3 plus 2 power 2 plus 5 power 3, right? Are you getting? Equal 3 power 3 means 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3, plus 2 power 2 means 2 multiply by 2, plus 5 power 5 means 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 plus 2 2 ja 4, 4 plus 5 5 ja 25 and 25 5 ja 125. So here 125, right? Next is equal to 27 plus 4 is equal to 31, and 31 plus 125 left. So this will be equal to 131 plus 125 is equal to 156. 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 3 5 and 1 156. This is the answer, right? And this is the way to solve such type of problem. Next, last question I'm going to do now, and rest you will try in next video. Rest 4 and 5 question I'll make and I'll send to you. Okay, number 6, last one I'm doing now of the same question, number 3. Question is minus 3 upon 2. This bracket is given here. After that power 2, then one more bracket, big bracket, and after that again small bracket, and whole power is minus 3. This is given, right? How to solve this? See, this is a power. You have na one law, a power m power and power on power. So this will be equal to a power m multiplied by n. The same method we will use here, same law. So here minus 3 upon 2 power 2 multiply by minus 3. It is not difficult, very simple question is there. So here minus 3 upon 2 power 2 3 ja 6, but minus will come, so this will be equal to power minus 6. Next, this is equal to minus, now see, minus 3 upon 2 power minus 6, power is negative, so can we take reciprocal? Yes, so we can make it minus 2 upon 3, this 2 in numerator and 3 in denominator, 2 upon 3, now power will be positive, plus 6. Now see, when power is positive and even number, if power is even number, so the internal one, the result will be finally positive. So can we write here 2 upon 3 power 6, right? Are you getting? Yes. So now this one, when we will multiply 6 times, 2 upon 3 multiply by 2 upon 3 multiply by, because it is written here evaluate, so evaluation we have to do it completely. 2 upon 3 6 na 1 2 3 4 5 6, when we will multiply 2 2 ja 4 4 2 ja 8 16 32 and 64, so here 64 will come in denominator, 164 na 2 2 ja 4 4 2 ja 8 8 2 ja 16 16 2 ja 32 and 32 2 ja 64 64 only. Okay, and here 3 3 ja 9 9 3 ja 27 27 3 ja 81 81 3 ja 243 and 243 2 ja 729. This is means this will be equal to 64 upon 729. This is the answer. Like this, try to solve rest also. Okay, and try next simplification, simplify and find the value of m. I'll tell you. So if you are new here, please subscribe it and share with your friends. Thank you.